posted a video in like a very long time because I was in school. But now I'm in 5th grade and I have like a lot of days off. So yeah, let's start the video. You ready? Let's go into the video. So I have like a machine that has been broken for like 6 years or something. And I'm also teaming up with my dad to get it fixed. I miss everybody. Kisses to everyone. I miss everyone. Like a mixer. I don't know what its name is, but it's like it's not spinning, but also is dripping. You can see. So now we're just gonna move on to the machine. So let's just unscrew the back. So let's just wait. So we took out the belt from the machine. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little something funny right now. We have all the screws like in this bucket, which is not even a bucket, and we're gonna take the top off now. So we're just saving the screws. So yeah. So we're gonna take the top off. Wow, it has actually a lot of fun stuff in it. Oh, let us pick this up. Okay, now let's do this. Keep moving. So right now we have like the circuit board and the motor and this thing that I only know that has a shaft in the name. So yeah, let's just turn the turbine. It's actually working right now if you can't see, because I'm actually turning the turbine. I'm doing this because I'm just gonna check one more time, but I'm gonna screw at the same time. The turbine is fine. Let's remove this part. So it took like a long time to get this thing open. So we stopped recording. Close dirty, I'm working in grease. The screws is actually PU. Yeah, that's good. So if you see my clothes dirty, it's because I'm actually working with grease. This, if you don't know if there's no grease, that's what you call grease. The motor looks in good condition. It's spinning fine. I'm spinning it right now. That's why you see this thing spin, because the motor is connected to that. Circuit board like bonk. Well, and we're gonna take off the circuit board. So yeah, clean it, make sure all the switches are working. So we fixed this. Now it's time to put it back and see what happened. Back in place when we're done with it. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna work with the turbine. We're gonna connect all the contacts. We'll put the greasy part back on this part. So let's just. So now we plug it in and we're gonna see if it works. Now we fixed it and we have to clean it up and we're ready to make some mushroom bread.